Hey everybody, so as a massage therapist, or just as a dad in general, someone that does laundry, the dreaded fitted sheet, how in the world do you fold this thing? How do you do it, you may ask? Well, my wonderful, amazing wife, Mandy, showed me how. First off, I'm going to show you how I used to fold them. It's very bad. So, alright, got the sheet right here, right? Big jumble mess. I thought when they said take the two corners, they said this. I thought they said take all of the corners and put them together like this. Oh, I was like, okay, cool. I got my little square. And oh man, it was just shameful. It was like, okay, there's your fitted sheet. It was just a balled up mass of wrinkles. Anyway, I finally learned the correct way to do it, and I will show you how. Mandy. Alright, so, long ways. Find your two little corners, see? Two little corners. Two little corners like this. Now what you want to do, I'm holding this with my right hand and my left hand. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to find the other corner. Find the tip of the corner. I'm going to go inside this, and we'll bring it up so you can see. Line up the two seams together like this. We got our one corner, okay? Now, that doesn't look so good so far. What's going to happen next? Oh, you got your other corner. See, you got one, two corners, the other corner over here. So your left side. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm coming over here. I'm finding the seam. Sometimes it takes me a little bit. Here comes Lana to help out. Thanks, Lana. You're gonna find your other seam over here. Thank goodness these videos have the speed up feature now. Alright, so observe. I got my right and my right long side over here. Secondly, I have my left long side. What am I gonna do? We're gonna match up the two corners like this. Find your two seams. Boom. Alright, we're getting closer. You got two corners over here, two corners over here. Look at that. You got one nice square. Check that out. Then, boom. Take both corners. You got all four corners right here in one hand. Take your other hand in. Find that nice little seam. Well, bam! You can even throw it around a little bit. Look at that. Kind of looks like a rectangle, doesn't it? But wait, it gets better. Oh wait, there's more. Take it here. Fold in half. If you want to be really fancy, you could be one of those people that folds it in thirds. You got it right here. Nice little square. Fold it one more time. Now, I'm telling you, you can perfect this and work on it. I'm obviously working on it as well. But that is one nice square. You can do it one more time. One nice square fitted sheet. Virtually no wrinkles. Alright, thanks.